Setting up chapters in your YouTube channel is extremely important. Not only does it help people filter through your video to get the answer to the question they're wondering about, but it also boosts your SEO based on those chapter titles. I'm going to take 5 minutes and show you the 2 easiest ways for you to do this. The quickest and simplest way to do this without having to use CapCut or Premiere is to start uploading your video. So hit create, upload videos, and drag and drop your video into here. When it's done processing, you'll see something like this. From here, all you need to do is click on the thumbnail in the top left and then scroll down to your description and click on more. At the bottom, you'll see a button that says show transcript. On the right side, we can go and copy this transcript and then head over to a Word document and paste it in. After that, you just hit file, download, and save as PDF. Now, you can use any AI tool that allows you to upload a document. For this example, I'm going to use Whoozy.ai and create a board. And then I'm going to go to New Element and click on File, where I'll be able to find my transcript here and drop it in. So now I'm just going to connect these dots. And now I'm just going to type in a prompt that says, can you create chapters from this transcript so I can add it to my YouTube video? Make it SEO friendly. And I'm going to send that off to Whoozy. Basically, after it's done analyzing the transcript, it's going to give me chapters in the format that YouTube wants it in. So at the top, you're going to want something that says chapters, followed by 00, and then correlating with the numbers will be the added chapters. Then when you go to your video, you'll actually see these chapters added down in the timeline. So you can see the breaks here at the bottom. So now Whoozy's given us the chapters that we need for our YouTube video, and we can copy and paste these back into our channel right below where we put the description. So you'll see here, the chapters are at the bottom right here. Now, the easiest and fastest way to do this is to actually go to the Elements tab and click on YouTube video, paste in the link for your YouTube video, and drop it on your board. And just for an example, I'm going to show you a different chat that I'm going to connect to this to have it create the transcript for me. So I'm going to go back into Elements and click on Chat, which is the same chat element as this up here, connect the dots, and then I'm going to ask Whoozy to basically transcribe the video and just give me the chapters without having to do any of that downloading, uploading stuff. So you can see that it actually created my timestamps as well as what part of that video answers what questions the consumer might have. This is super helpful because inside of our editor, we can scroll down and make this more SEO friendly by adding the problems right here that Whoozy has already done for us inside of the chat window. So I hope this helps, guys. If you have any more questions, you can leave some comments below, or if you want to see any other tutorials, drop them in the comments and I'll get started on them.